Before this video starts, I want to let you know that I took it from the scene where I took it from. There. I took it from here, from page 336 of the novel. A few Japanese soldiers victoriously has climbed the left side of the mountain, and then Private Nasir hit, and then he was also hit. And then where is Leftenan Adnan? Ah, yes. A lot more soldiers are coming, and then with looking at the Lieutenant Adnan took the Lewis machine gun and hit the soldiers in the trenches. It wasn't really trenches, but this is all I can do. So enjoy the stop motion. Leave a like, share, and subscribe. I mean, consider subscribing. I'm not forcing you to, but please. Thank you very much. Kotor ni. Ambil ini kau orang Jepun. Hayakun, contoh mata. Harap aku akan bagi kau terlepas. Kau, Roy. Please consider subscribing. Thank you very much. Please consider.